Holes and leaks are such a pain, and the rips, cracks, and tears require repairs. Introducing Alien Shield, the tape that's out of this world.
Alien Shield is ultra durable and waterproof. It instantly locks into place to permanently seal any leak. The ultra-strong adhesive grips on instantly for a watertight barrier. Just peel off the back and stick into place. It works on any surface, wet or dry.
Look, Alien Shield can stop leaks even underwater. It's out of this world. To prove it, we sliced a giant hole in this vinyl pool. Watch as Alien Shield works underwater. The ultra-strong adhesive instantly seals the leak even under pressure. Watch. To put Alien Shield to the ultimate test, we drilled hole after hole all over this kayak on the side and on the bottom. Then we simply placed Alien Shield over the holes. Don't try this with ordinary tape. Alien Shield held in place because it's the ultimate waterproof tape. A hole in your air mattress means another night on the floor. Well, not anymore. Alien Shield instantly and permanently locks into place, even under pressure. Alien Shield is a must for ductwork repairs. You'll love it for your car. Use it for repairs inside and outside. It keeps working rain or shine. And because it's clear, it's perfect for lighting fixtures.
You'll love it!
It grips and locks into place on rough or uneven surfaces.
Now there's no need to sweat repairs on pipes or plumbing. It couldn't be easier.
Introducing Alien Shield.